Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving rightful ownership. Activation lock exists to deter theft. Gather the original receipt and the device serial or IMEI now and confirm who holds the Apple ID. Once done, ask the original account owner to remove the device from their iCloud remotely or to sign in at the device while you watch. This avoids any dispute. Make sure to document dates and seller contact info. You will need that when contacting manufacturer support for legitimate recovery. If the original owner can act, instruct them to remove the device from their iCloud account. That's the fastest lawful route. If they cannot, contact the device maker's official support and explain you have lawful purchase documentation. You'll need to submit receipts and photo ID. Apple and other manufacturers verify ownership before they disable activation lock. That's why paperwork and accurate serial numbers matter. Once you submit documents, expect a verification window and follow any return email instructions from support. Finalize the process by cooperating with official channels. Authorized service centers can often verify documents and complete removal in person. If support rejects your claim, escalate to the retailer or provide additional proof of purchase. You may need to contact local law enforcement if the device is disputed or stolen. One key troubleshooting tip: if a support agent denies help, double-check timestamps, invoice numbers, and seller contact details. Then politely ask for escalation. Do not
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.